We all know YouTube is a great resource, but sometimes it can be a little unwieldy to use. Sometimes the internet doesn't work, it's not fast enough, that you have to do searches for the sites, whatever. Today I'm going to show you a little bit easier way to use YouTube using all free tools. What I use when I'm going to do a YouTube video is use this website called SaveTube. And what it does, and there's a lot of websites like this, all you got to do is Google download YouTube videos. And you can find all sorts of free sites that let you do this. This is the one I personally use. What this site lets you do is it lets you download videos from YouTube onto your computer, and then you can edit them, you can put them in a PowerPoint, you can do whatever you want with them, and then it doesn't matter if the internet completely crashes, you can use the video in your lesson wherever you want. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to YouTube, find a video you like. Here I found a video on mitosis, looks pretty cool. I see, I'm like, hey, my kids could really benefit from this, but I want to be able to use it in a way that fits my lesson the best. What you do is once you found your video, you come up to the top and you copy the URL. Now you can do this one of two ways. You can either right click on it and hit copy, or else you can just highlight it and press Control-C. Once you've highlighted the web address, what you need to do is come over here to SaveTube, and it's got the little bar there. You paste the URL into that little bar, and then you click vid. What that's going to do is that's going to allow you to download the video. This website, what it will do is it will download that video off of YouTube for you. It's going to give you a little warning that says, hey, this could potentially screw up your computer. That's always a risk when you download stuff off the internet. This site's pretty safe. After you hit run, it's going to give you a whole bunch of options of what type of video you can download. So here's our video here, Stages of Mitosis. Here's the different formats. Now you always want to use the MP4 format because that one is the one that's most usable in different programs. You just click on the one you want to download. You can download in HD or whatever. And after you've downloaded it, here's my video down here. I can show, there's the video. I have downloaded it directly onto my computer. Next, what I can do is if I like that video and I want to use it in a lesson, I can go ahead and I can use that video in a PowerPoint. I can come over here, and here I've got a PowerPoint on mitosis. I can go into my PowerPoint and I can insert the video directly into my PowerPoint. I go to the Insert tab, I click Movie, and I do Movie from File, click on it, come down, there's my video. I double click on that, say I want to start automatically, and now when I start up my PowerPoint, there's my video right there ready to go. I control it, and it doesn't matter what the internet connection is. The other option you have is you can not only put it into a PowerPoint, but using another free program called Windows Movie Maker, you can take and you can put that video file into Windows Movie Maker, and you can take and you can edit it. Let's say there's a part here in the middle that we just don't like. We can take and we can edit it. And we can get rid of whole different parts of the video and just delete it. So now what was a 1 minute 30-minute video is now a 1 minute 12-second video. And so these are some of the free tools you have that makes YouTube a far easier tool to use in your classroom because you're able to use it exactly how you want to instead of always being a slave to your computer and having to look things up.